Hello, this is your girl, Miss Bowlegged Ma, aka Angel Barbie 1981, and I'm coming to you today, my angels, with another wig review. I'm going to do this wig review on a Freatress Equal. Her name is Elise. She's short. She's a very blunt haircut. I got her in a 1B30. This is her. I've actually already worn her already. To be honest with you, I pretty much had my good days with her already. One of the reasons why I did not do a review on this wig when I first got it out of the box is because the company I got it from was so rude and so disrespectful because I had to return her. I first got her in some other 230 and 27, and really it came back orange. Well, I don't do orange hair. And so when I got ready to return her, you know, I got rude customer service, and you know what, I'm not even gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna say that I'm gonna find other links to where you can find this wig. I would not promote that site after being mistreated. I don't do disrespect too well. So like I said, her lace is already cut. She's short. She has I'm sorry about this. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back that equals 3 combs. I already had a pin in her. Like I said, I already worn her, so I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the way and try this on. And like I said, if after a couple of days after this video is uploaded, if I still don't put the links to where you can find this wig at, I think I paid like $32 for it at this company, but I found it somewhere else cheaper. But if I don't put the links to this to where you can find her within a day or two after this video is uploaded, and just simply remind me, because I will not promote the site that I got this wig from, because I don't do bad customer service and disrespect. I deserve better, you know. But anyway, that's not even important. This is her. Okay, this is you can see that's the lace right there. If you can see it, you know, I'm just kind of looking in the mirror. It kind of got some stuff going on with it because, like I said, I've worn it already. She has a very blunt cut right here, as you can tell, in the back. She's a 1B30, and this is her. And if you just can't stand it looking like this, then you can always just comb a little bit to the side if you don't like the top. I don't know. This is a lace front. I apologize. I'm kind of very subconscious about lace fronts, I'm not even gonna lie, but if you learn how to do them right, they look natural. So you can do it like this and just kind of pin her up, or you know, whatever, or you can bring her to the back. Let me see if I can do this right. It's been a long time since I've done that, but I don't know. But anyway, you can take her. You don't have to do it this small, but you can take her, twist her, make a little hump in the front, you know. I know this probably looks ugly, but I apologize. I'm kind of running. I'm in a hurry. You can do her any way you want to do her. So, but this is her. Her name is Elise. That's E-L-I-S-E, Elise. Like I said, I got in a 1B30. The first time I ordered her, she was orange, and I had to return her. And, you know, like I said, I had some issues, but this is her. And like I said, remind me after a few days, if you don't see any links where you can find her, please get on to me. So, my angels, let me know what you think. You like it, you don't, you seen better. I ended up paying like $32.99 for her. If you know somewhere cheap where I can find it, let me know. I love her. I think she's a good wig. I like her, you know. But just please rate, subscribe, comment, and I'll talk to you angels later. I have to go to work. Goodbye.